Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Tech India. In this video, we are going to discuss lecture second for the series for DBMS course for exam and placements. In this video, we will discuss the topic types of DBMS. So in this video, we will discuss various types of DBMS and their key feature and applications. So here are the main types of database: centralized database, NoSQL database, relational database, object-oriented database, distributed database, and then cloud database, network database, and hierarchical database. So let's start with our first database, that is centralized database. It is the type of database that stores data at centralized database system. It comforts the user to access the stored data from different locations through several applications. Those applications contain the authentication process to let users access data securely, so that any unauthorized person cannot access the data. Due to those authentication processes are used in these applications. An example of centralized database can be central library that carries a central database of each library in college or university. Now distributed database. In distributed database, data is distributed among different database systems of an organization. These database systems are connected via communication links. Such links help the end user to access the data easily. It is subdivided into two parts. First one, homogeneous database, heterogeneous database. Now relational database. It stores data in the form of rows, that is tuple, and columns, that is attribute, and together forms a table, that is relation. A relational database uses SQL for storing, manipulating, as well as maintaining the data. Each table in the database carries a key that makes the data unique from others. Example of relational databases are MySQL, Microsoft SQL Server, Oracle, etc. Now NoSQL database. NoSQL, not only SQL, is a type of database that is used for storing a wide range of data sets. It is not a relational database as it stores data not only in tabular form but in several different ways. It is also divided into four subparts: key value storage, document oriented database, graph database, wide column store. Now cloud database. It is a type of database where data is stored in a virtual environment and executes over the cloud computing platform. It provides users with cloud computing services like SaaS, PaaS, IaaS, etc. for accessing the database. Some examples of cloud database such as Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud, SQL, etc. Now object-oriented database. The type of database that uses the object-based data model approach for storing data in the database system. The data is represented and stored as objects which are similar to objects used in the object-oriented programming language. An object-oriented database is a type of database that stores the data in the form of objects which are instances of classes that represent real-world entities. Now hierarchical database. It is a type of database that stores data in the form of parent-children relationship node. It organizes data in tree-like structure. Data get stored in the form of records that are connected via links. Each child record in the tree will contain only one parent. On the other hand, each parent record can have multiple child records. Now network database. It is the database that typically follows the network data model. In this, representation of data is in the form of nodes connected via links between them. It allows each record to have multiple children and parent node to form a generalized graph structure. Here is the structure: project, under that there will be two projects, project 1 and project 2. Now project 1 will have multiple department, and in the similar way project 2 will have multiple departments. So friends, this was all in this video. Thanks for watching this video and have a great learning.